Question 1. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha gives his resignation to. Correct answer is D. Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Question 2. High Court of Andaman and Nicobar Islands is located in which state of India? Correct answer is B. West Bengal. Question 3. When was the national anthem of India sung for the first time? Correct answer is D. The 27th of December 1911. Question 4. National income in India is estimated by. Correct answer is D. Central Statistical Organization. Question 5. The subject of Panchayati Raj is in. Correct answer is C. State list. Question 6. Which Amendment Act reduced the voting age from 21 to 18? Correct answer is A. 61st Amendment Act. Question 7. The Hirakud Dam, one of the longest dams in the world, is built on which river? Correct answer is A. Mahanadi. Question 8. Where was electricity supply first introduced in India? Correct answer is B. Darjeeling. Question 9. Who was the chairman of the first Finance Commission? Correct answer is C. K.C. Neogi. Question 10. Any dispute relating to the election of the Prime Minister, or the Speaker of the Lok Sabha is to be determined only by The. Correct answer is B. High Court. Question 11. Who was the first woman Chief Minister of India? Correct answer is C. Sucheta Kripalani. Question 12. Who wrote Gitanjali, for which he received the Nobel Prize? Correct answer is A. Rabindranath Tagore. Question 13. The power to increase the number of judges in the Supreme Court of India is vested in. Correct answer is B. The Parliament. Question 14. Hindu rate of growth refers to the rate of growth of which of the following? Correct answer is A. GDP. Question 15. Who is considered an integral part of the Indian Parliament? Correct answer is C. President. Question 16. Economic planning in India is in underscore. Correct answer is C. Concurrent list. Question 17. Which Indian city is known as the City of Pearls? Correct answer is C. Hyderabad. Question 18. Which was the first country to conduct civil services competitions? Correct answer is A. China. Question 19. The slogan Garibi Enmulan was given in which 5-year plan? Correct answer is C. 5th 5-year plan. Question 20. Which city of India is known as the Athens of the East? Correct answer is A. Madurai. Question 21. Forming of association in India is. Correct answer is D. Fundamental right. Question 22. The first woman Chief Justice of the High Court in India was. Correct answer is C. Laila Seth. Question 23. Which Prime Minister was known for the Green Revolution in India's agriculture? Correct answer is A. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Question 24. Indian National Congress was founded by underscore. Correct answer is D. Alan Octavian Hume. Question 25. Which country is called the Himalayan Kingdom? Correct answer is B. Bhutan. Question 26. Which of the following is not a constitutional body? Correct answer is B. Planning Commission. Question 27. Who is considered as the architect of Panchayati Raj in India? Correct answer is C.B.R. Mehta. Question 28. Which article of the Constitution deals with the executive power of the state? Correct answer is B. Article 154. Question 29. Which social reformer was known as the Nightingale of India? Correct answer is A. Sarojini Naidu. Question 30. Which pair of cities in India is known as the Twin Cities? Correct answer is C. Hyderabad, Sikandarabad. Question 31. Who was the first non-Indian to receive Bharat Ratna? Correct answer is C. Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Question 32. Who is the custodian of the Seal of the Supreme Court of India? Correct answer is D. The Chief Justice of India. Question 33. Where is Wildlife Institute of India located? Correct answer is D. Dehradun. Question 34. Who decides disputes regarding the disqualification of members of parliament? Correct answer is D. The President in consultation with the Election Commission. Question 35. According to Census 2011, which one of the following Union Territories of India has the highest literacy rate? Correct answer is A. Lakshadweep.